Thiko nini tu thutha wa mutumia umwe kuherwo mwana nja wa thibitari ya Ngorika mwena wa Olkalao, aikari riu ni matetete iguru ria ikiro cia utungata thibitari-ini ucio, makiuga maita maingi makoretwo matagutungatirwo wega thengia ya guikia mateta.
Thita na nuthu riria njira hingukire akirwo athie Naikuru kana Thikarau na hiuhe muno. Riu mari oicariria-ini ria ngari mutumia ucio aturiire hake hingo-ini. Airu ake ni makunjire mwana mamutonyetie thiini ni ndamakire muno na mwana cia gicoka guciarwo ari muguthe haha mutwe.
Oho marenda thibitari iyo ya Ndandurwo kuona iri na mugunda munene na itungatagira andu aingi.
No rugi thiini wa itura riri mundu anagira mathina marabatara kwa ultrasound kana combined surgery no atwarirwo thibitari Naikuru PGH, which is approximately 40 kilometers from here. Udogene ate maternity ya guku eho no facilities ginya ndagitari aria me guku nurses na clinical officer ni marauga ati makoretwo na challenge yo na manageria kuya grievances icio no makaga gukura ati kwi mundu ramathikirina no twekwende kwihoya county government itekire kugerera wa governor gwitwo Badirisha matwicirie tu na mature na ritho riathe.
Mongereire ati kaingi arwaru matikoretwo makiheo dawa iria mandikirwo ni undu wa gukorwo cikiaga na uguo makaumania na guthie kugura dawa thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe.
Hete mwana utuku ukerwo mwana ati mucoke nake na kugo ko mutiri sha Osmani aroria sha ati ndure sha Osmani wira wake ni kuhingura gate mauma angiatigire ndagita
dawa irio ngioka haha uheo no hairwo Piriton Bruven wongereirwo muno ri no hairwo Action riu we uteithitio gateithio biu na ringi uma murwaru we serious no thirio kuria dawa kuria private.
Ona kuhana uguo murugamiriri munene wa motungata ma urigitani kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ndagitari Boniface Gachara akiaria na njira ya thimu augite mutumia uria waheirwo mwana nja wa thibitari ya Ngorika akinyirio ku ari mucerere na oho akieranira gutigirira motungata ni magacirithio.
Yes, it was we call it under MPDSR, we call it delay at the community level. So that was actually what happened. There are various delays in according to maternal perinatal death, surveillance and response. One is delay at the community level, the second is delay at the facility level, and the other one is delay while giving care. This was a delay at the community level because she must have labored the entire day and did not take care whatever of going to the hospital. So it's just a matter of community sensitization so that we are able to improve on the outcomes. We shall continue enlightening them and filling in the gaps where we can, and then we also recommend referral where it's possible.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyandarua, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Simon Ngure.